Okay, my people, now welcome back to my channel. How una day? I hope una day fine. How everything? I hope everything day fine with una. For me, as una dey see, I day fine. I thank God for everything. My people, I don't come back again with another news, another ogbonge one. Wey be say, if you see this one, my people, it go chocolize you. If everywhere don't read, my people. I say only me one not go see this video. Make una also see this video, make una settle down, watch this video till the end. I beg my people also, if you never subscribe to this channel, what do you they wait for? As you they subscribe, you could see more video like this one. Okay, my people, I beg, make una subscribe, like and share. For this junction, I go to leave una, make una watch the video, and I go also see you now for the next one. Okay, my people, see you all, stay blessed. Stay cool, and I love you all, and bye-bye.
Na clear matter. Shift her womb. Now me come they use hand. They push her womb back to the position. You dey craze? Fuck and finish. Go buy an instrument. You dey craze? God they do arrange audio for me. I can't shock you with the original audio. Matter will be say if you go a saland when the elderly people for their entire family gather put for the matter, you dey craze. When mother do my go do abomination and adultery, fear where you are. You can't go do a radio audio for me. Now I bust the code. Everywhere make bows. It shock you. And at 380 audio, only 5 now I play. If you make me vex, I'll constantly play more. You know what I cover for that idiot? Every party we go and the car duro boy give, I go they fuck her for bedroom. I go stand. They do washman for her. You they craze? Godmother like goddaughter. Generation of prostate. Fiki a shower. Wa zaga bon. The same method when you get now your useless godmother still get. What a life, sorrow. Single mother by stupidity, now you be, now she still be. Single mother in distress, you no get anything for Nigeria, she too no gets. The difference when between you and your godmother be say you get passport, your godmother carry aduro paper, they waka, permanent aduro paper. Since I come life, I never see person with the carry permanent aduro paper. Your godmother don't they spend 39 years for Euro. She never go Nigeria once. 50 by 100, she no even get her. Now so you see be. What a life. What a perfect match. As she dey lie, now so you dey lie. As she dey lie, now so you too dey lie. As she dey fuck, Gambia dey fuck her. Everybody for Vienna know her well. Any picking with they learn how to fuck, na lolo fostra. Toto Sabina vote gang Omonigo na ha Toto the senior sister to Dokas na ha Toto de hotel they do Vicky Ivaga odoma bukute any small boy just to stand he go come odoma book hotel I go say I don't book am now my money I go take pay for hotel but I go there outside. Oh wow, wake up. Ah, Baba, walay, Baba, walay, Baba, walay. Ah, walay. Ah, when no Baba, walay. Oh, don't smart, walay. Ah, walay. Ah, don't smart, you are shifting my womb. Don't smart, go say, baby, allow me to shift your womb. Allow me to shift your womb. Oh, allow me to shift your womb. Allow me to shift your dear baby, hang your leg, baby, hang your leg, baby, hang your leg. Don't smart, I am coming. Don't smart, I am coming. Oh, I thought Sage is a stupid man. He never make me come one day. I thought Sage is a useless man. He cannot make me come. Oh, don't smart, I will give you 5,000 euro. Don't smart, I will give you 5,000 euro. Don't smart. What are you not saying? Now me be the washman. Now me the whole torchlight. Who weak me pass now my mama? Hey, Juliet, my love. Who weak me all this? Now my mama. I don't understand. Eh? You can't see comats. He can sweet. I tell you. Eh? I just tire. They can't come out now. You can see the cause all the beneath people. Now made it they verse me, my people. Eh? She want try to impress JJ Barry and Destiny. Make she forgive her MC because she is jealous of B&B. I just tire my people. Now, Lolo talk show one can cause the audio need to fall out, my lady. I go play the audio again, my people. May I tell refresh their dirty break. Can you imagine? Eh? JJ Barry and 24 bits, they be brothers and sisters. I better not kill me with like Goddy John. It's good that you laugh, my people. Eh? JJ Barry and 24 bits, they be one blood. What Anwe Kita Abia Yesun, the top 1 and 28 cup, the ambassador of Elele Gumaza, the ambassador of cancer, tuberculosis, the ambassador of hunchback. What on cost quarrel? Tell me, my people, why? Not be Ojuju be that. Not be Ojuju be that. Over Sabi when she they do so, JJ Barry no senamo. E don't do evil. Witch bitch, dirty witch, the poorest witch in all. With that Alaribe when pennies don't die many years ago. The impotent foolish bastard. Lolo the adulterous woman. I need DNA test from those your bastard children you call a child. Those notorious Anini. Those terrorists you call children. I need DNA test. Yes. I demand DNA test. Because your last born need to go resemble Chelsea. Your last baby resemble Chelsea. Oh, what Chelsea say? Nah. You can see everything turning around. Everything turning around. Hey, everything turning around for your head. Now, so, what you sow, you shall reap. Lolo talk show, I say more, the goddess, I demand DNA test. For that your notorious Anini, that child looks so terrorist. Are you sure that child is not from Pakistan? Are you sure that child is not from Pakistan? Look here, where be like picking where he come from Pakistan. Because that child they tell you say shut up. You are a useless mother for live video. Neither Pikite they tell you. He go say I know I just say I bear you are Messi Bello. Oh well, shut up. That child is from Pakistan. He's from Pakistan. I can see the blood of Pakistan and Mali people in that child's behavior. I demand for DNA test. Lolo talk show. Provide me the DNA test of that for that millipede you call a child. All your children are millipedes because they use glass. You can see the table turning around, the table turning around, the table turning around for your head. That's what we sing. What you sow, you shall reap. What you sow, you shall reap. What you sow, you shall reap. Mania. The time when you call that people children say they be millipedes because they wear glass, you forget. Your tiri, Afghanistan. Those children they are from Afghanistan. They be blind millipedes. They too they wear glass. That's what we say. When they laugh for that people children say that they wear glass, say they're blind. You forget. Do you forget? Your children, they are from Mali and from Afghanistan. The Lolo Talk Show, aka the mother of Afghanistan and Zimbabwe and Mali children. Those are the present Anini. Those children, they are ambassador of terrorists. Those your children, they are mafias. The time when they bully people, children, you forget. I am here to bully you, your children, the alaribe, the hypotent, the dying pennies for titilai. Na me the chest hand with my face. Hey boy, I know. I tell you, say Lolo Talk Show. I carry you for contract. Me swear. Me say work. You dey sleep, you dey drink. See your one for your back. 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 Na me the chest hand. You come and you know they fear. Come they cause all the Benin people. This one lad though. This one lad where my belly. You come they cause all Benin people, they are illiterate. Benin people, wait till consign you consign 24 bit. No way 24 bit, no talk boy. Do you see the wife? Lolo talk show your English na England do. You they see posh English? Ay, 24 bit wife, she said doctor. Kai. Jesus. I bet 24 bit wife, you get injection of mad people. May you help me give anu ekita. Abia yeson mesibelo. Lol anu adjose. You get injection for mad people. I beg. She needs your help. I beg. Okay. Imedu endo. Yagba obogba owe. May you help me inject her. If you want inject her, beg me inject her for that her cancer breast, so because she will soon die. Lolo Tosho, you just come and you no fear. You can't say you want cause quarrel between JJ Barry and 24 bit Ogun Ogbo. I said Ogun Ogbo again. What did I talk? Ogun must Ogbo again. Why don't you talk boy? All the Edo people head, all the Bini people head, all the Bini people, man and woman. Now their head go kill you. Uhe no pe we so. Mwamuere asio ostie bue mwamuere kawe mwamue kpale rumwao ilevu ve walishi. Nobody send anything. Oh, she no get shoe. She no get back to carry go. I tire. My people, may we sing for Lolo Talk Show. Anu ekita. Ve walishi. Mwamuere asio. Mwamuere astio. Mwamuhe lolore astio. Rumwao 11 walishi. Mwamuere asti. Mwamuere astio. Brother Asti, you are a very kind person. How you go fuck Lolo Toto, you no leave water for inside? What's your name? Brother Austin, now you cause all this trouble now. Since you fuck her, you carry Toto water, you carry gold. Then they don't smart, they are fucking lolo for attack for strap. Don't smart carry Toto water. Oh na mukba, if ya bona legbe, una zamivia bamuhe, una zevyo egbe ni a hospital mere. Austin mwamu ege lala ruwa ilevo. Mwamuere asio. Brother Osi what if se here ene. Una wazale ya una mukpa. Egeno nati e woloe Osti woloe alaribe nunda ogun balaribe. Osti Osti na you get this toto. Osti woloe Osti woloe Osti never come. Woloe Osti oh alaribe die. Alaribe die. Oh alaribe die. Alaribe is a hypotent. Osti, walae. Now we the rush pennies. Lolo Talk Show, aka. Now we the rush ekia. Now ekia the rush us. Lolo Talk Show, ekia maro. I bet you I must sing for you. A Lolo Talk Show, ekia maro, ekia aduro boisio. Wega hasayo la onu de chigomume, chigomu keka aya uhe Lolo Talk Show eteme, ekia lolo uhe agwalo. Lolo Talk Show, you no be man, you no be woman, you are a misgender. Anu Ajose, aka the ambassador of Elelegumaza, the hunchback, aka the misgender. You are not a man, neither are you a woman. You are a misgender. Sorrow, what a life. Sorrow, the misgender. You are a misgender. What a life. Exactly. To attend to Lolo. Exactly. You know fear. Edonogboriri. Bini no boriri una we era visual illiterate o come. Uno de fear. Uno do de fear at all. Ubini people. Who say Ubini people, anything, oh, this is our hand. No, I said anything. The when you there for Alari, okay, Alari behead, okay. Oh, now understand what you are trying to say. It's all right, continue. Okay, you they deal with the illiteracy where they Alari behead because the pennies don't die many years ago. Those your children from Afghanistan, those your children from Zimbabwe, I can see Afghanistan blood in the children of Lolo Tosho. I can see Afghanistan blood in your children. I can see Afghanistan in your children. Afghanistan blood in your children in Lolo Tosho. I can see Afghanistan blood in your children, Zimbabwe blood in your children, Afghanistan blood in your children, for Lolo Tosho children. I can see Afghanistan blood in your children, Zimbabwe in your children, Afghanistan in your children, for Lolo Tosho children. I can see Mali blood in your children, Afghanistan in your children, Zimbabwe in your children, for Lolo Tosho children. When you develop people children, they sweet you share. The table is turning. I hereby demand for the DNA test of those Anini terrorist children of Lolo Talk Show. Court rise. No. Those children, I see Zimbabwe and Mali and Afghanistan in those children. They behave like Afghanistan people. No. Those children, they are terrorists. And coupled with the fact, those children are blind millipedes. Those children are depressed. That is why they are using glasses. Not be so you talk. Lolo Talk Show, now your hand will lay work now. You say people, children, when they wear glass, say they be blind millipedes. Vivian, that's what we see. So Lolo. Okay, ugele lola yelala ayelala meat wa mate nuzaka bagbon you know fear can they cause beneath people everything edition na hand wa zaka your power you wear one shoe okay ya like din 2 room abia 3 room where the cocoa una we la din o hama mo ibini people we bini to gbera visual nu zaka bagbu he no where na bini head they kill you na 24 bits and JJ Barry head na they kill you Lolo Touch I tell you that anu ekita anu just say abia you wa mesibelo I tell you that they say you go by yourself fry your kpekus eat your toto u here to boy amon more time, I make a test you. You go fry your toto, you go the chop and and when you gonna pay me the toto now you know go see a court because the toto don't to fight. Ugi me enya. Lolo Talk Show when they don't use penis, they shift your womb. Your shock observer don't bust. Ugi your shock wa. Uhe no wia. Uhe we no gi fian we na reon ete don't wear ina Lolo toto just a smell rich yes ete you know they smell like water when they take bath dead body ijeve efia ijeve oh hello oh go beteme ijeve Lolo na toto they smell like this run the way from London to Jamie ije ni kawabure Lolo na toto they who's like this it dey smell like dead body when they no bam way for mortuary ai ijesu Ah, Yesu. Okay, all those men with they fuck your toto, na mask that they wear, yeah, mask here. Just they smell like, you know, so if that body when they no bam way for mortuary. Efia. Ma use and hold my nose, so while I will we to me, where good anyone. Then on Jenna, I know I just say Messi Bello, or one going to me, you know your body will make you. Efia. Inte suno bana me kai Lolo wanakina. Inte me. Wa mona si won for lolo toto. Si won. Wa re ko. Jesu na riwe. Lolo keke o. Anu ajose. Lolo keke. Anu ajose wewe keke o anu ajose mesimbelo wewe keke o ibiadewe o wadogu he anu ajose eho abekwe no degbe ya sana ladia o abekwe no degbe ya sana ladia uhe anu ajose ya kaka ibiadowe nusomo uhe anu ajose kaka uhe no wia wadoge kwa abekwe no maewo uhe mesibelo uhe kakagbe zavenida no uda iviedo enika obo yene o yana mwe cancer ya uesene yana mwe tuberculosis yana muba yana mwe no keke o yana le munanu ajose yana le yehia ayela lamid yana le yahio riokpa yana le yahio riokwo yana le yahio wuho nuwe webu zaleni dano hia o magiegbe ohe iviedo rokpa enika wa wese wana yue no keke o anu ajose we kekene anu ajose lolo talk show we no keke o we no wia we no keke no 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 anu ajose mi ezeluwe weji mao me the goddess herself, the goddess of battle me ezeluwe yes hello. You know say na me sabi you we more settle well, you know na me dey trust you we amen. Me ezeluwe. Wetin make you go say una where beneath people they are illiterate? You see this one they give you, so this is called testing the microphone. Chi, hello chi. Testing the microphone. Messi bello, amie yuwa, amie bieyeso, abie yogun, Messi bello, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce Messi bello, abie yogun, ogun bejegbo. Let me introduce to you the ambassador of Hunchback in UK, Anu Ajose, the AKA, come and fuck me for free, AKA, fuck me and give me chewing gum, AKA, I need bagan soup, I will give you 28 rand. My toto is smelling, but if you want to manage, and when I just said toto, it's not a problem. You can wear mask. The children, they are from Zimbabwe because I see the children, I see the blood of Zimbabwe and the blood of Afghanistan in those children. Those are the present Hanini and the terrorists. Those children, they are blind children. That is why they use umbrella. They are using, they are made, they use glass. They use umbrella. No umbrella, a lot of children they wear. No big glass. I just say, you see what they do to you, so now wait till you fed do to people, children. Many years ago, when I remember the evil I know I just said did to many people, children on this social media. Yeah. What a life. You bully people, children. No, I just said, don't forget that in a hurry. You see those your children where they wear umbrella. Their mates they wear glass, but you they wear umbrella, oversized shoe, oversized jacket. Continue with the watch you sorrow. You for not just come out. She not go fit treat that tuberculosis because the ancestors they are interested any cow. They are interested in annual adjustment bellow matter. And the any cow demand for her head. When mommy went, you when I will not grab headward. You come and come cross beneath people. Now that thing, now it push my belly. You for not go there at all. It was a wrong decision. Because you see with the Benis, we not get joy. I be a son and Bini. I be the two sides. If you cause Bini, I go provoke. If you cause a son, I go paranoid. Because everyone knows ija. So for that simple reason, you for not just go there say Bini people are illiterate. You for not try. Because you are nothing but you are a generational of house girl. Your papa died as a house help. Your mama died as a cancer patient. Your mama died as a lazy, useless, frustrated, a chaos and one. Why Jeva insulting the Benins is what I won't take from any motherfucker. In short, you for not try. Insulting my Bini is a taboo. You know fit cause quarrel for JJ Barry and 24 beat. You declare Alaribe Ogun de kill you. Alaribe weti 24 beat do. You fit do one. Alaribe, remember you are not a man, neither are you a woman, you are a misgender. Emmanuel Alaribe, I say you are a useless man. Ogun kill your generation. You are a bastard. How dare you? How dare you? You a man without a dick. You a man that is a cassava-less. You are a cassava-less man. You don't supposed to talk. You are not a man, neither are you a woman. The Igbos, the way meaningful Igbos have rejected you because you are a total disgrace to the great Igbo land. Emmanuel Alaribe, you are a man, you are not a man, neither are you a woman. You are not here, no, you are dear. You are a villageless man. You are a man of cassava-less. You are a man of depressed. That is where your head is big and your stomach is fikbo. Alaribe na zombie na zombie. Alaribe Emmanuel zombie na zombie. Alaribe is a zombie na zombie. Joro jaro. Joro jaja, Alaribe joro jaja, zombie na zombie, Alaribe zombie, Alaribe zombie na zombie, joro jaja, Alaribe, you are a bastard. What did I say? I said you are a bastard. I said Nidandie, Alaribe Nidandie, carry block put for your head. Close eye, you are a bastard. You know fear. We the Bini people now we the chest. Now we the chest. Magbe destiny. Alaribe zombie na zombie. Zombie. Alaribe penis no dey work. Zombie. What a cassava-less man. Zombie na zombie. Zombie. You know fear. What did they say that they call that your house? Okay. Now Mesimbelo be the man for the house. Okay, I understand. Abia gun. Abia yo via one of UK. Ogun ogbera gbijo no re. Era ka gun no de gbe salo abe you know. Your father is a mugu. What a generation of husband. He got me I know I just said what to ya gbo egbesha kakara kataria tata. Ratata rata ya rakota ya. Redudu ratu ya datia. No ni otan. But mama, you don't play for this. Now is swanty, my people. Now is swanty. If I remember when, yes, if I remember, Mama Pat, yes, God bless you, mommy. If I remember, when she and her ex they play, una forget one video when mommy Monica do Lala cut in that video they analyze B&B presentation when she exactly she's only jealous of mommy B&B. Everybody know. Mommy B&B presentation when she do on Edo Festival. I don't know why some of us they forget easily. I don't forget, Mama, they come there. Mama, they come there. I say my fair bit and small because nobody get right to curse my Benin people. I know they take them. And it can't be the person when they curse the Benin people, not be better human being. Say Benin people. Benin people too they illiterate. Egbon me. Egbon. I don't understand. Person when they curse the old Benin, if papa die as a house boy, if mama die as a house girl, even she herself they die as a yelala as orient do. I don't understand. They call Benin people. Wahala be like Alaribe, the man with that cassava. Wahala be like Emmanuel, the useless Alaribe, the house boy. When he made they wear suit, they wear coats of 1921 AD. I don't understand. He choke. Not your juju be that. Emmanuel Aribe mates. They wear suits, blazers. In they wear coats of 1921 AD. I don't understand. What a has guest stroke. Cassava-less man. Sorrow. And now, coupled with the fact that those terrorist children from Zimbabwe, those terrorist children from Afghanistan, those Mali blood, they call blind millipedes terrorists and vagabond. Those are vagabond, condemned elements they call children. Those without future, what a sorrowful family. Mesimbelo Anwa Jose, aka the Lolo talk shits. Mado. Oh boy, come and do vaga lolo. Lolo toto for say. Buy your totoye, buy your totoye. Buy your totoye, toto for say. Buy your totoye, buy your totoye, buy your totoye. Anwa just said totoye for say. Anwa just said totoye for say. Buy Mesimbelo totoye for say. Toto for say, toto for say. Toto for say. You can buy the toto with chewing gum. You can buy the toto with sweet. You can buy the toto with black soup. Black soup, bagan soup for toto for say. Give me black soup, you fuck Anwa just said toto. 40 ranks. You fuck Anwa just a total 40 ranks. Buy your total here. Anwa just a total for say. Buy your total here. Buy your total here. Anwa just a for total for say. Bros, the total they smell. The total they smell. It smell like dead body when they bath. It smell like water when they bath dead body for mortuary. Bros, you go manage him. Bros, you go manage him. If you wear mask, bros, if you fuck the total. Buy Anwa just a total here. Total for say. Anwa just a total for say. Anwa just a total for say. Total for free. Buy Anwa just a total.